We'll show you how to turn on silent mode on your iPhone. This is a handy feature when you need to silence your phone during meetings, classes, or any situation where you don't want to be disturbed by notifications and calls. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. For iPhones that are previous from version 15 on the left side of your iPhone, above the volume buttons, you'll find a small switch. This is the Ring Silent switch. To turn on silent mode, flip the switch towards the back of the phone. You'll see a small orange line, indicating that silent mode is activated. When you flip the switch, you'll also feel a slight vibration, and your iPhone will display a bell icon with a line through it on the screen. But what if you have a newer iPhone? The easiest way to silence your phone is with the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen on iPhone X and later models to open the Control Center. In the Control Center, you'll see a bell icon. If the bell icon is already red with a line through it, silent mode is on. If not, tap the bell icon to activate silent mode. And that's it. You've successfully turned on silent mode on your iPhone. This simple feature can help you manage your notifications and keep your phone quiet when you need it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.